Feeling stuck? Give me 1 week. Here are 7 challenges for the next 7 days that will reset your body and put you on the fast track to fat loss. I'm not kidding. If you've been trying to lose weight and nothing seems to work, you're probably overcomplicating everything. This video will fix that. I've broken the most effective fat loss strategies into 7 simple daily challenges. Each day we tackle one new habit. That's it, just one. Your 7-day transformation begins with day 1. Let's get into day 1. Chapter 1. Alright, welcome to day 1. This is the most critical day of the entire challenge. Today we are doing the purge. No, we're not hiding from a dystopian government. We are going on an epic quest through your kitchen to eliminate every single piece of junk that could possibly sabotage your success this week. This is a search and destroy mission, and we are taking no prisoners. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to become a fat loss ninja, silently and ruthlessly eliminating the enemy from your territory. Your kitchen is your fortress, and right now, it's been infiltrated. So, grab the biggest trash bag you can find. We're about to make some space. We're going through your pantry, your fridge, your freezer, even that secret drawer where you hide your emergency candy. We are looking for anything that is going to tempt you. I'm talking about chips, cookies, crackers, sugary cereals, ice cream soda juice candy bars. If it comes in a crinkly bag or a colorful box and has a list of ingredients you can't pronounce, it's gotta go. This is non-negotiable. Chapter 2. Welcome to day 2. You survived the purge. Your kitchen is a fortress of health. Today's challenge is simple but unbelievably powerful. We are going to conquer your hydration. Your challenge: drink 1 gallon of water. 1 entire gallon. It sounds crazy, but I'll show you how. This is a huge secret to fat loss. First, why it matters. Your body is over 60% water, burning fat, thinking clearly, having energy. Most people live mildly dehydrated. Fake hunger signals, low energy, brain fog, slower metabolism. Get a giant water bottle, 1 gallon jug, or a half-gallon jug you refill twice. This is your new best friend. Take it everywhere, to your desk, in your car, to the gym, while you watch TV. Keep the water visible at all times. Make it impossible to forget. Right when you wake up, chug 16 to 32 ounces. It's like flipping the power switch on your body. You just won the first battle of the day. Chapter 3. You made it to day 3. You've cleaned your kitchen, you've mastered your hydration, and today we're adding the next critical layer: the protein priority. This is where we start building a fat-burning machine. Your challenge for today is to eat a massive amount of protein. Specifically, your goal is to eat 1 gram of protein per pound of your ideal body weight. So if your goal weight is 150 pounds, you are eating 150 grams of protein today. But it's the secret to feeling full and satisfied while your body incinerates fat. First, it has the highest thermic effect of food. This is a fancy way of saying your body burns a ton of calories just digesting it. Up to 30% of the calories in protein are burned off during digestion. Second, protein is the king of satiety. When you prioritize protein, you kill hunger and cravings. Eating a high-protein meal will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Start your day with a huge protein-packed breakfast, 30 to 40 grams of protein minimum. Big omelet with 4 or 5 eggs. A protein shake with 2 scoops of whey. A massive bowl of Greek yogurt. When you build your plate for lunch and dinner, the very first thing you put on it is your protein source. Track your intake and do not stop until you hit that goal. You got this. Welcome to day 4 of the challenge. We're past the halfway point, and you're already a completely different person than you were 4 days ago. Your challenge for day 4 is simple. Get 8,000 steps. That's it. No gym required, no special equipment. This is the most underrated fat loss tool on the planet. For most people who work a desk job or are generally inactive, They're lucky if they get 2,000, 3,000 steps a day. Bumping that number up to 8,000 is a massive increase in daily activity, but it's not so high that it feels impossible. This type of low-intensity, steady-state cardio is phenomenal for burning fat while preserving muscle. We are outsmarting that system. Walking is the perfect weapon. Start the day with a 15-minute walk. This will get you 1,500, 2,000 steps before your day has even really begun. After you eat your high-protein lunch, you are going to go for another 15-minute, 20-minute walk. Finally, end your day with a post-dinner walk. This is your victory lap. Use your phone's health app or a fitness tracker to monitor your progress and turn it into a game. Just walk. Let's get these steps. Chapter 5. We are on day 5, and you are in the home stretch. We are tackling the single most overlooked component of fat loss: sleep. Your challenge for day 5 is to create a no-screen sleep ritual. Turn them off a full 60 minutes before you get into bed. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. When you are sleep-deprived, your hormonal system goes haywire and makes fat loss nearly impossible. Why the no-screen rule? Blue light from phones, TVs, and computers is the arch-nemesis of sleep. It suppresses melatonin production. Staring at your phone in bed is like shining a miniature sun into your eyeballs. Wake up. Your mission tonight: reclaim your final hour. 60 minutes before bedtime, enter a screen-free zone. It's over. Put your phone on the charger in another room. Read a physical book. Take a warm bath or shower. Listen to calming music or a podcast. Meditate. Do light stretching. Journal. Write 3 things you accomplished today. Let melatonin rise naturally and fall into deeper restorative sleep. This is where the magic happens. You will wake up feeling like a new person. You completed day 5. That's huge. You're almost at the finish line. Let's do this. Chapter 6. It's day 6. It's not about how you eat, but how you eat. Your challenge for day 6 is to have at least one mindful meal. This means for one meal today, breakfast, lunch, dinner, you're going to eat with 0 distractions. No TV, no phone, no computer, no reading. Just you and your food. This simple act of setting a proper place for your meal signals to your brain that something important is about to happen. Before you take your first bite, just look at your food. Take a second to appreciate it. Look at the colors. Look at the textures. Smell it. Notice the aromas. Now, take your first bite. Put your fork down. Chew your food slowly, really slowly. Notice all the different flavors. Sweet, salty, savory. Notice the texture. Crunchy, soft, chewy. Between bites, take a sip of your water. You're still drinking your gallon, right? On a scale of 1 to 10, where are you? Stop eating when you are satisfied, not when your plate is empty. This is the skill that will allow you to maintain your results long after this 7-day challenge is over. Day 6. Complete. Chapter 7. This is it. Day 7. You have made it to the final day of the challenge. You did it. Your final challenge is to plan your next week. Grab a notebook, grab a planner, or open a calendar on your computer. We are going to schedule your success for the next 7 days. First, let's schedule your movement. When are you going to get your steps in? Block out time for it. Literally, create an appointment that says 15-minute morning walk. Maybe it's 8,000 on 5 days and 5,000 on 2 days. Next, plan your protein. What will you have for your high-protein breakfasts next week? Write it down. Chicken breast, ground turkey, eggs, Greek yogurt, protein powder. Schedule your grocery shopping trip for the week. Put an alarm on your phone for 1 hour before bed that says screen-free ritual. Identify what felt best and double down on that. You didn't just survive the week. You are now the architect of your future. I am so incredibly proud of you. Outro. You actually did it. 7 days. 7 challenges. You completed the entire thing. I want you to stop for a second and just feel how incredible that is. You made a commitment to yourself and you saw it through to the very end. You have laid the foundation for a total life transformation, and this is only the beginning. The momentum you've built this week is powerful. This isn't the finish line. It's the new starting line. Think about where you were just 1 week ago. Think about how you felt. Stuck, frustrated, maybe hopeless. And look at you now. You're hydrated, you're energized, you're in control of your environment and your choices. You have the tools, you have the knowledge, and most importantly, you have the proof that you are capable of changing your life. The next step is to continue building on this amazing foundation, one day at a time. Congrats on completing the 7-day challenge. Comment, which day was the hardest? Was it the mental battle of the purge on day 1? The sheer volume of the water challenge? Or maybe the screen-free ritual on day 5? And if you're ready to take that next step and keep this incredible journey going, make sure you subscribe to Lose Zone. And always check the description area for help we offer. We're dropping videos every single week with more challenges, more recipes, and more strategies to help you build the body and life you deserve. Let's keep the momentum going.